Want to make money online, but you've never written a blog or post in your life? I'll show you how to do it with ChatGPT, step by step, and earn through. Affiliate links, free platforms, and ads, all with zero experience. The step 1, pick a niche. Start with a niche, like tech, health, side hustles, or parenting. Ask ChatGPT. Give me 5 beginner-friendly blog niches that make money. Pick one you enjoy. It helps you stay consistent. Step 2, use ChatGPT to write your first blog. Now tell ChatGPT, write a 700-word blog post about topic in a casual and helpful tone. Include 3 headings and a conclusion. In seconds, you'll have a post that's ready to publish. Want more? Ask. Turn this into 3 Instagram captions and a LinkedIn post. Done. AI handles the heavy lifting. Step 3, post it. For free. You don't need a website to start. Try Medium.com or LinkedIn for blogs or Twitter, Instagram for short content. Post consistently and build your audience for free. Step 4, add affiliate links. Sign up for Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or Impact. And then ask ChatGPT. Suggest 3 affiliate products for this blog post. Add your links. If someone clicks and buys, you earn. Step 5, monetize with ads. Once you've got a few blog posts online, it's time to earn with ads. Apply for Google AdSense at adsense.google.com. You'll need a Gmail account, a blog with real content, basic pages like About and Privacy Policy. When approved, Google gives you ad code. Paste it into your blog, WordPress, Blogger, or Wix, and your blog shows ads. You earn when people view or click. Once you reach $100, Google pays you. Step 6, scale and repurpose. Use ChatGPT to repurpose your blog into YouTube scripts, newsletters, TikTok captions, keep posting, add more affiliate links, and optimize for search. It's all about consistency and using AI to save time. And that's it. With just AI, free platforms, and simple tools, you can start making money online. Want my exact prompt templates? Check the description below. Hit like, subscribe, and follow for more AI money hacks, even if you're starting from scratch.